Good day to you, sir, madam. I'm Joanne Villanueva. I'm 32 years old, married. I have 2 children and high school graduate. About my working experience in abroad, I'm working in Malaysia for 2 years. My duties and responsibilities is to take care of children, cleaning the house, ironing, washing clothes, and cooking.
Hi, Miss Joanne. How are you?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
What are the advantages of the employers if ever they will hire you?
Sir, madam, I'm honest, hardworking, and responsible.
Okay, so since you are ex-Malaysia, so do you know how to cook basic Chinese dishes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir, madam.
Can you cite some dishes that can you cook?
Ma'am, steamed chicken and steamed fish, ma'am.
Can you tell me the proper way in how to take care of children?
Ma'am, to giving food and vitamins at the right time, take shower for them, accompany them to go to school, and love them as my own children.
So what if you commit a mistake, what will you do?
Sir, madam, I will say sorry and not to do it again.
Any message or promise to your employer?
Sir, madam, please do hire me because I need money for my family and I promise that I will finish my contract for you.
Thank you, Miss Joanne, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Sir, madam, thank you.